Hello friends, my name is JJ McGregor, and today I'd like to talk to you about neoliberalism. Neoliberalism is the dominant ideology of our time, and it's the reason that parasocial relationships like ours are so profitable for companies looking to turn social capital into financial capital. The thesis of the video that you're about to see is that neoliberalism is all around us. It's in everything we do. But just because neoliberalism is everywhere doesn't mean that it should be accepted. Just because something is ubiquitous does not mean that it's good. Now, before I begin the essay, I'd like to have a quick ad from Raid, Shadow Legends. It's been weeks since I've seen the sun. My bones are weary. My eyes are dry. It's all because of mobile gaming's most ambitious dark fantasy project yet. Raid, Shadow Legends.
This game really makes you feel like a Raid Shadow Legend.
The game has over 15 million downloads, and is one of the top 3 in the Play Store for a reason. And the best part is, it's completely free! I have spent all of my sponsorship money on gems. The game is constantly being updated with new champions, and they have plans for new factions, clan bosses, and game modes over the next few months. You may not know this, but my political affiliation is gamer. There's even rewards that unlock as you play, which could net you the exclusive Arbiter champion. I know you have no context for what that means, but trust me, she's real powerful. The graphics are incredible, rivaling console releases, and the gameplay. Let me tell you more about the graphics.
What? Whoa! How does this exist on my phone?
And guess what? If you're already in-game, you can add me as a friend. Here's my tag. Because that's our relationship. That's my relationship with all 125,000 of my fans. We're all friends individually. That's what I am to you. I'm your friend. Add me on the game, and maybe the game will get you a friend. So what are you waiting for? Go to the video description, click on the special links, and you will get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program to start your journey. Good luck, and I'll see you there. Alright, now back to the show. So let's discuss, how does neoliberalism commodify social relationships? Well, before I begin, here's a quick ad.